Hello guys, welcome back to Code Factory. My name is Yash. In this video, we will learn how to master your interview introduction. This tips is for freshers and experience as well. Let's start. Yeah, there are four major things which we should focus on while introducing yourself. Master your interview introductions. Tips and an example to confidentially introduce yourself in interview for freshers and experienced professionals. So start with a conscious summary, means you have to tell about your education background, your technical background, your projects. Likewise you have to introduce right. Then you have to tailor your introduction, means depending on the job profile, what is the JD having, everything you have to consider first, and then you have to prepare the things for individual interview, because different interview require different skill set, right? So you have to do that, you have to write the things correctly, right? Then you have to show enthusiasm and passion about coding, like how you interested about the coding and the job they are providing. Also you have to showcase like you are prefer neat and clean coding, what are the your aspirations, right? What you are going to do and what is your career goals, right? That you should focus on. Then you have to do a practice your deliveries, means whenever you are doing, like it should not be like a scripted thing. You should be in a way like you are speaking naturally from your heart, right? So be like that, and prepare with your friends, family members before for the interview, right? So that will boost your confidence, because see, many of the freshers have an issue, right? How I can speak, because it's their first interview and they haven't have any experience about the interview, and because they don't have guidance in this whole thing. That is what very important. So guys, there is nothing, just be natural and go with confidence, guys. That is what matter. So let's move to the next slide. Yeah. Essential tips for freshers in interview, right? Boost your confidence and communication skill for the successful interview experience. Means what? You have to be confident in interview, right? You have to show confident. There should not be any stress on your face, like you have to be natural, like because if you don't have experience, that's okay, but your confidence, your eagerness to learn, you how you're talking with your interview, how you are responding them, that's what matter, because it's all come from the confident, right? So that's you should take care. And communication, like you have to communicate in a proper way, like you have to answer relevant answers should be there, right? And your answer should not be long, right? If they are asking, so try to make it in shorter way and more effective way, so that will create an impact towards the interviewer, and also convey your message very clearly, right? So that's you should make sure, right? And demonstrate clarity in response, means you should be very clear about your career goal, aspirations, and you should be straightforward, because that will means create impact on the interviewer, and he will believe like you are the one who is good fit. Because see guys, there will be thousands of people coming for the interview, and then you should be unique, right? That's what your selection depend on, right? So that is you should take care. Then we will move to the next slide again. There are few things which we will see now. As you have to speak very clearly and confidently, you have to articulate your thoughts to convey confidence and clarity during your interview, means you have to be prepared. Like I said, you have to write your interview things, what you are going to do, and make sure you do not do not speak the way you it should be unscripted, right? Just be natural, guys, and you should keep it your introduction into 1 2 or 2 minutes, right? Maximum. It should be brief and impactful introduction, like, and it should cover all the things which I told you about your background, about your skill set, what skill set are important, what you have done, what's about your internship in your projects, right? Your teamworks, or anything you have done exceptionally, that you should be take while introducing yourself. and you should be relevant. Okay, if the job is required a teamwork, and if you are talking about different something else, then it will not work, guys. So you should talk about teamwork, you should talk about your technology. Suppose this is for a database developer, you should know about everything about database. Then if in between you will start talking like a Java thing, that is okay, but that is not relevant what they are expecting, the database developer. So you have to tell everything about database, what you have done, what projects you have completed about database, and how was your experience. And most important, you can tell about the challenging task you have completed, right? And in between you have to show the enthusiasm for the role, like you are very genuinely interested in the role, which they are offering. Likewise you have to do, and you have to focus on, guys. So let's move to the next slide. Yeah, this is just some example of your introduction. This is what I've created. Like you have to start with a warm greeting, like you have to introduce as per the time. Good morning sir, I'm Rahul Verma, thank you for this opportunity to speak today. Like then you have to share your education background, like I've recently completed my BTech in information technology from Mumbai University. Likewise you have to mention very confidently and very naturally, right? Discuss relevant projects and internship, means whatever projects you have completed, internship you have done, that you have to highlight. In this such as machine learning projects and internship at startup where I develop and React JS based web app. Like this is covering the all the things. This is covering machine learning, this is also covering an internship where you have developed the React JS based web app. So this is what you have to tell, right? Then highlight your strength, like if you are a quick learner, strong problem solver, or a team leader, right? Likewise you have to tell, like if and also you can tell about technical things, like if you are having a good expertise in technology, you can adopt the different technology very easily. That is also your strength, right? So you have to do that. Connect to the job role, means you have to say like I can use my skill and grow as a developer, means whatever the skills you have which are relevant and to the job role they are providing. And not only that, you can use them and you can grow as a developer and help out the team and the projects which you are going to allocate, right? So that's you have to tell. So let's move to the next slide. Like this is what actually, guys, this is what you have to do and you have to tell towards the interview. So make sure, guys, you practice this and you try this. If you want to share your feedback about this video and about our channel, you can write down in comment. And if you are going for an interview, also share your feedback in the comment box. And also write if you want something deep inside of the interview related questions, and what kind of questions might be asked. Something like you can mention the topic, we'll come up with the videos and we'll guide you, guys. We are happy to guide you. So guys, don't miss any video. Please like, share, subscribe this Code Factory channel. That will boost our confidence and make some different video for you guys. Okay, thank you for watching this video, guys. Have